Kuwait Center for Mental Health inaugurated today awareness campaign for mental health in compliance with the internationally recognized month of May for mental health awareness. Here is more on the campaign in this report with Salim Al-Kandari.
Kuwait Center for Mental Health initiated today the Month of Mental Health Awareness campaign under the sponsorship and attendance of Sheikha Awrad Al-Jaber Al-Sabah.
This campaign is meant to help the Kuwaiti society to accept the psychiatric disorders and the psychiatric patient and elevate the importance of the mental health awareness, as well as to try to remove the stigma of the mental health from the society. The main purpose of it is to reach more people in the society, regardless their interest, and it will help, hopefully, to make the center, Kuwait Center for Mental Health, reachable for everybody.
The awareness campaign aims to bring mental health specialists closer to the public, shed light on the importance of understanding mental problems properly, and correct misconceptions of treatment for mental sickness.
The campaign reflects the dream we had over the last 20 years of trying to approach the community and the public, telling them what exactly are the psychiatric illnesses and the methods of treatments. And I think that the dream of having such campaign is not related only to psychiatric services in Kuwait. It is something related to psychiatry in general, wherever in the world. We all dream, we all have this dream, wherever in the world, to approach other and try to give them some kind of a scientific reality about these illnesses and how they are being treated. Stigma and prejudice, judgment against psychiatric illnesses, it's almost the same wherever you go. And we need actually, and I think if I go back into history, I would say since the very well-known movie, The One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. And I think this movie had made more damage than anything else to the psychiatric services. Since then, we are trying to change this image of psychiatric illnesses, and the real aim of this this campaign is to change the image of psychiatry and psychiatric services, and try to give more enlightenment for those who are suffering of these illnesses. That treatment is available, it is simple.
Campaign organizers hope to increase accurate cultural understandings of mental health issues among the public in all sectors of the country.
This is a campaign to raise people's awareness about mental health. We think that it's badly needed at this point in time in this country, because there are a lot of cultural barriers preventing people from reaching out to mental health providers. There are a lot of people suffering silently with depression, with anxiety, with other mental disorders, and there is a lot of stigma and psychological and cultural barriers preventing them from reaching out. And I think it's our responsibility to try to tell them that mental health is just like, mental disorders, just like any biological disorder like high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, or anything like that. It's a disease that has its biological reasons, and it has treatment that's readily available and so easy if detected at the right time and treated by the right people.
Over the whole month of May, a series of organized lectures to be presented to physicians, educators, social workers, researchers, the general public, and students. Kuwait Center for Mental Health initiated today its campaign about mental health awareness. This awareness campaign aims to increase understanding of mental and psychological problems. It also aims to correct false information about the given treatments for mental disorders. This campaign will run for the whole month of May. This is Salim Al-Kandari reporting for the English News.